Hello and welcome back to my channel. Often we have heard the saying of sharing is caring. But when it comes to your goals, you should never share it to anyone. Let us understand why. In order to understand why you should not share your goals to anyone, let's divide people in 4 categories. The first category is they don't take action and they tell no one. These kind of people are generally very boring and they are dreamers. They don't take any action, and that is why they don't tell it to anyone. They're super lazy kind of people. Second category is that they don't take action yet they tell it to everyone. They are super annoying and they are not productive at all, because they don't want to take any action towards their goals. They just have to start telling it to everybody. They are not going to yield anything. The third category is that they achieve something, they set a goal, they achieve it, and they also promote it. These are average kind of people. Normally people do this, and that is why this is the third category. They are productive but they have short-term goals. The fourth is that they don't share their goals but they are super performers. It's because they follow a simple rule of not sharing it. It's because of not sharing their goals, they take extra efforts to achieve it. That is why they are the performers, they are the go-setters, and they are super yielding, super productive people. So, this is how it exactly works. According to the efforts which you put, the action which you take, you are categorized in any of these 4 categories. It's like playing chess. When you play chess, nobody comes to know that what will be your next move. So this situation applies in all walks of life. Nobody should ever come to know what goals you have set for yourself. That is why it is very important that you should never share your goals with anyone. The science is very simple. If you don't tell your goal to anyone, you make extra efforts. Your mind also needs to understand that since you have not shared it to anyone, I have to put extra efforts. But if you start propagating your idea, the mind will trigger that kind of emotion, a sense of premature completion. So you have to make sure that once you set a goal, you don't tell it to anyone. You just have to keep it to yourself and make efforts to complete that goal. Because it's like playing with your mind. The moment you start saying it to anyone, then you will think that it is already completed. This works for everyone. That is why you should never tell your goals to anyone. Keep it a secret and start achieving it. Hope you found the video interesting and informative. Do not forget to like and share my video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Till that time, stay safe, stay indoors, and take care.